Welcome to Detector Testers. I'm Gareth, and in this Toolbox talk, I'm going to show you why choosing the right smoke aerosol is important in maintaining the smoke detector's integrity. Detector testers with our Silo branded aerosols have led the industry for over 25 years. Now you may think that aerosols are quite a simple thing, however they can be quite complex. From the formula inside the can, the design of the can, and the nozzle are all determining factors as to how they perform with detectors. The nozzle. Why does the design matter on this? You might think that the nozzle is just a nozzle, but it plays an important role in how the aerosol is dispersed. Different nozzle designs exist, and the right one depends on how the product is used. The Solo nozzle is designed for use in a dispenser. It releases aerosol in a way that ensures that it flows properly into the detector chamber. Other aerosols have handheld nozzles. When placed in a dispenser, they still disperse, but much less effectively. This leads to wasted smoke, fewer tests, and over applications, which can cause excessive smoke to run down the dispenser or even coat the detector. We work with all manufacturers to ensure compatibility with our products. Detectors from these manufacturers fill the ceiling of our test lab. This ensures that we work with detectors past, present and future with our detector tester developments. Another important thing to consider is the formula of the aerosol. It goes without saying that the aerosol should be exactly like a smoke from a real fire. We've worked with multiple manufacturers and third parties to gain a certification to ensure that testing with a Solo aerosol activates detectors as if it was a real fire. Labelling and packaging. Aerosols are pressurized goods, meaning that they need to be labelled, handled and stored correctly. Let's go and look at the labelling bay. In the event of an emergency, you want to know what to do. Since Solo is a global product, all of our instructions are available in multiple languages. They're also UL certified, giving extra peace of mind for quality and reliability. And not all can designs are the same. The Solo aerosols are designed to fit perfectly into our dispensers, ensuring reliability every time. Other manufacturers' aerosols may fit into our dispensers, but that does not mean that they are approved or provide the right amount of aerosol. The material and design of the can is also important. The Solo range of products are monolithic, meaning there's no welds or seams, ensuring integrity of the can, unlike other manufacturers which may have welds and seams. If you need more information or have questions, then contact us through our socials or even join one of our CPD accredited courses. Thanks for watching and see you next time.